We, Donggun, COLDMAX Limited, were founded in 2002, located in the famous manufacturing city, Hunan, Donggan, China, with an area of more than 4,000 square meters, and the existing staff of more than 80 people. We have been producing refrigerating equipment of world class and high specifications since our factory was put into production 10 years ago. Focusing on fresh agricultural products, vacuum cooling technology, and all kinds of food preservation, fast cooling technology, we are a high-tech enterprise covers research and development, design, manufacturing, installation, and after-sales service. To create a world-famous vacuum cooling brand, we are providing complete solutions to modern farms and companies on preservation and vacuum cooling.